Try to jump out. Oh, did I get that footage? I hope I did. Did you see that blow up, Anthony? Oh, I hope I got that on footage. That'd be real. Oh, sorry. Don't worry. I'll bring it in. Okay, go. You're good. Oh, there's a turtle. Go! Oh! Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. There we go. It's not that big, but I'll take it. Here we go. Ah, right in the mouth. It's got a red mouth. Probably means he hasn't eaten in a while. Just pull it out. Just get that one. It's caught by both. Yeah, just grab it and just pull it out. There we go. Oh yeah. Well, I get 10-incher. So these fish are really chunky and healthy. Picture. Finally. Goodness. I was like, oh, yes. This is going on YouTube, buddy. It'll be my first ever YouTube bass. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, nice little bass. Okay, here we go. Get some water. Okay, here it goes. Yes! It's recording too. Red lights. Oh, there's a backlash. That's a pretty bad one. Oh god. Okay, please don't have like any knots on my line. Oh, did you miss one? See, or that could have just been the trees right here. There's like, I don't know. What? Oh no. Hey, it's Sepe. Oh yeah, I forgot. He tried to ask me if he could. We're actually about to leave in a half an hour, but we're about to leave in a half an hour. Yeah. Okay, wait, let me just stop recording.